These birds that fly in strange ways. The last one is mind-blowing. Number 3, the hummingbird. It is the only bird that can hover in one spot like a helicopter. It can fly forward, backward, and even upside down, beating its wings up to 80 times per second. Number 2, the Wallonian bird. It flies in strong winds using a zigzag, sliding motion, as if surfing on air. Its unusual flight pattern is so impressive that even scientists are left amazed. Before I tell you the last one, if you're not an alien, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. Only good humans can do it, aliens won't. Number 1, the albatross. This bird can fly for hours with its wings spread without flapping. Using ocean winds, it can travel thousands of kilometers in a single effortless glide.